Hey guys, my name is Varun,
Batty.
aka Sagda, and our object was the wall. And the reason we chose this wall was because it had the IA symbol on the wall. And let's get on to our explanation. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Step 1. Choosing the object.
The object that we chose was this wall.
Step 2. Measuring the object. Mirror to our feet. Mirror to the wall. And mirror eye level to the ground. Batty.
Step 3. Creating our diagram. So first, we drew a person, which represented Sagda, which was 150 centimeters. And then next was the measure from Sagda's feet to the mirror, which was 55.
Batty.
And then we measured the distance from the mirror to the wall, which was 52 centimeters. And then our wall itself was X because we did not know the direct measurement.
Step 4. Solving for X. So we got X over 150. 150 is my height. And then 52, which is eye level to the wall. And then 55, which is eye level to the ground. The mirror that was on the ground. Okay. 55x equals 7,800. X equals 141.82. Batty.
So basically what we did was we created a proportion with the numbers that we created, and then we solved for the proportion.
Step 5. Finding similar triangles and theories.
So we realized that this triangle and this triangle were similar because they both had vertical angles, and that made this angle and this angle right here the same measure. And that made the top angles the same too, which made them all similar. And the theory that we used was vertical angle theorem to solve for these two, which was if one angle's opposite to another, made each of the angles equal each other. Step 6, solving, comparing and contrasting direct versus indirect. Sir.
So, our indirect and direct calculations were very off. Our direct measurement was 244 and our indirect was 141.82. There was a difference of 102.18.
And we realized that indirect is sometimes off from direct. Step 7.
Errors.
Explaining our errors. So some of the errors that we ran into were we realized that our calculations could be wrong, and that was because we realized this because our direct and indirect measurements were pretty much kind of off.
Yeah.
And you
It was a lot.
Yeah, yeah, it was a lot. And then another error that we ran into was our measurements could have not been that precise, so that could affect the answer that we get for our indirect. So yeah, thanks for watching us talk about a boring old
Wall.
Batty.
Batty. Batty. Batty.